Track 27. A.
Toilet,
B.
bathroom,
C.
hall,
D.
kitchen,
E.
bedroom,
F.
living room,
G.
dining room,
H.
door,
I.
floor,
J.
shower,
K.
bath,
L.
wall,
M.
window.
Track 28.
Hi, Paolo.
Hi, Joelle. Hi, Rosa. Have you got your cameras for the photo club project?
Yes, of course.
Great. Well, come in. I'll show you my house. This is the hall, of course. There are 4 doors here. This one is for the living room. Oh, hi, Mum. Mum's in the living room. And this is the kitchen. Hello, Dad. These are my friends, Joelle and Rosa.
Hello, nice to meet you. Here, give me your bags, or put them on the table.
Thanks.
Come on, you two. Look, here's the dining room.
Very nice, Paolo.
Thanks. OK, this way. There's a toilet here. Now, come with me. Up here. There are 3 bedrooms. This is my bedroom.
Wow, the walls are red. And there are 2 windows. It's a really great room, Paolo.
Thanks. This is the bathroom. There's a shower and a bath.
It's nice and big, isn't it?
Yes. Right. Come on. Let's take some pictures.
That's a good idea.
Track 29. Example.
There's a toilet and a shower in the bathroom.
1.
There are pictures on Paolo's wall.
2.
There are 2 books on the table in the kitchen.
3.
There's a man in the kitchen.
4.
There are no windows in the living room.
5.
There's a picture on the wall in the bathroom.
Track 30. A.
Guitar,
B.
board game,
C.
pet fish,
D.
television, TV,
E.
bookcase,
F.
clock,
G.
toys,
H.
computer,
I.
bed,
J.
chair,
K.
clothes,
L.
poster.
Track 31.
Your rooms. Louisa.
This is my room. It's got blue walls and a light brown floor. There's a bed and a chair in here, and a TV. I've got lots of clothes. They're all on the bed and the floor. There are also lots of toys on the floor. They're my little brothers.
Joseph.
This is my room. I've got a computer and lots of board games. My brothers have got a computer in their room too. I've also got a guitar in here. I've got lots of posters of my favourite bands on the walls.
Agatha.
This is my room and my sister's. There are 2 beds and a chair. There's a clock on the wall. We've got lots of books on the bookcase. My sister's got 2 pet fish called Nemo and Dory. They've got a little house and lots of green plants in their aquarium.
Track 32. 1,
I've got a chair, a table, and a desk.
2,
I've got a guitar, a pet fish, and a TV.
3,
My brother's got a camera, a phone, and a computer.
4,
In our flat, there's a kitchen, a living room, and 2 bedrooms.
5,
The teacher's got a book, a pen, a ruler, and a dictionary.